Hello everybody, Ken here from the Model Building and Retirement channel. I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you. I'm celebrating 3,000 subscribers today. Unbelievable. We're only 71 days into this journey, folks, and 3,000 subscribers. It blows my mind. I thought maybe I'd have 50 or 100 by now. So to have 3,000 is just mind-blowing. Really appreciate everybody's support. I'm glad you're enjoying the videos that I'm doing. And, because of your support and the growing of the channel, I really feel inspired to just get better and better and come up with better videos as we go. I have a lot of great ideas coming up. Some of it is outside the actual model building scheme of things, but pretty much going to keep the channel the way it is. Also, just to celebrate my 3,000 subscribers, I'm introducing a brand new intro, which you're going to see right at the end of this. Once again, I thank you very much. If there's anything that you'd like to see out there that I haven't done yet, suggest it, but I got quite a few ideas coming up, so stay tuned. Here's that new intro, and thank you everybody. I really appreciate it.